Hello dear friends. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, the subscriber on the right. Free by clicking on the OL. You can subscribe. Again, very simple. Really easy, one model and one so beautiful. I like it, I hope you like it too. Again, a follower. I do this at your request now. Chain. We start by pulling. I use a 3mm crochet for this. Yes, now bottom. We are pulling chains for the floor, friends. Chain. 25 folds. Yes, 25 folds shaped. Of course you can, or let's do it like this first. Actually, the bottom floor. It starts with trabzan, but if we start with trabzan, we may not match the model. That's why I start with the chain and make trabzan last. So the chain. Front according to your size. The back will be done separately, of course. Chain according to your size. Or pull more when you install the model. You can remove the chains at the end. I now want to mount. I'm pulling the chain. Yes, by pulling 60 chains. I'm starting, guys. I now have 60 chains. I took it, of course you pull it longer. According to your size. And pull more like I said. 1 2 3 4. I'm entering the fourth chain. 1 trabzan. It's 2 with the 1 on the side. We're entering the next one. We are making 1 more trabzan. 3. We enter the next one. We are making 4 trabzan. Now we are pulling 2 chains as I said, bottom. The ground is actually complete. You can make trabzan and start. But I will start on the chain later. We will go to trabzan under. Now I pulled 2 chains. Ordinary. I'm counting 1 2 3 from the next chain. I'm sinking into the third. Caged 1 model. This is such cages. We are doing it. We will have trabzan in between. Very easy, very simple really. I pulled 2 chains again. 1 2 3. I'm sinking into the third. 2 chains again. 1 2 3. Actually doing it now. I thought I should do a double. So the duo could be in trabzan. If you want smaller cages. Duo, you can do it in trabzan again. 2 chains. 1 2 3. We are sinking into the third. We make 6 cages. 1 2 3 4 became 2 chains. 1 2 3. Yes. 5 became 2 chains again. 1 2 3. I'm sinking into the third chain. Yes, 1 trabzan. Now 4 side by side. We will make trabzan. We made the first one while making the cage. Like this too. 3. Bedört. 6 cages that will continue like this. Let's call it 1 filler. 6 cages, 1 filler. 2 chains are coming again now. 1 2 3. From the next chain we are sinking to the third. 1 lattice space. 2 chain. Repeat. 1 2 3. 2 chains. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Yes, it's 5 now. I'm doing the 6th. 2 chain. 1 2 3. Now side by side again. We make 3 more after this trabzon. We complete 4 here. Until the end of the chain. This is how we go guys, 6 cages. For trabzon 6 cages 4 trabzon. At the end, we are finishing 4 trabzon residents. Yes look, I came like this, now my chain is not enough. I'm here 4 trabzon later. I made 6 cages 4 trabzon shape now above this. We'll continue exactly. I'm pulling 3 chains that will be 6 rows. I'm sinking into the trabzon next to you. 1 trabzon I'm sinking into the next one. 3 with the chain. We're sinking into the next one. 4. Now 2 chains to the top of every trabzon. We are making 1 trabzon 2 chains again 6 cages. 6 to 6 like this one. We are creating a square guys. Look again 6 cages. When we come over the filling, we make the filling again. I'm pulling 2 chains. I'm making 4 trabzon here. 1, 2, 3. For then we continue 2 chains again. On every one handrail. Go and come to the end of the line by making 1 banister. 6 rows, so the cages are horizontal and vertical. There will be 6. I came over the fillings. I'm making 4 trabzon here again. Yes, we are coming to the end of the line, we are back again. Yes, I came, look, for again until the end of the line. I made my trabzon, I draw 3 chains. We're back again guys the same way. 3 trabzon right next to our chain 1. Trabzon. We do. This is how the edge goes. Then we draw 2 chains to the top of every trabzon again. We create cages by sinking. Now I'm doing 3rd place. This way. As I said 6 rows. We need to knit. Of course I started something small now. Chain according to you. Whatever you will do, you can also make a shawl. You can also make a blouse. Can also be in vests. As I said, since you tied the handrails on your rope, you can also shoot double. Yes. I continue this now. I complete 6 rows and return. Yes guys look I completed 6 rows. We knit 1 2 3 4 5 6 vertically 6 transversely. Then here now. We pull our 3 chains and return. We will make 1 row of complete trabzon. There will be 4 on this side again with the chain. Like this too. 3, 4. Now we make 2 in the blanks. 2 trabzon to spaces. And 1 trabzan complete to the top of trabzan. We fill 1 row with trabzan like this one. 2. To the top of trabzan. I'm doing 1 more. We go on like this the whole time. Your next fillings. By making 4 on 4 fillings again. We are advancing. Like this. We will create the cages, it's the same again in the next row. We will do the same as we did in the bottom row. Yes, I'm entering the void 1 complete from start to finish. No need to count trabzan. We make 1 in every space around here. We have 4 banners already in the bottom row. We do all 4 here. Now back into the void. And to the top of trabzan. Now I'm coming this way until the end of the line. Yes, I came to the end of the line, look. We just did trabzan, now we are starting the net again. 3 chains from here. We are shooting again, we will have 4 trabzans on the side. With 2 chains. 3. Bedört. We wrap 2 chains 1. Those trabzan desks should always be in line. 1 2 3. We say, this is how we started the chain again, the 3rd chain. We say 1 2 3. 1 trabzan. 2 chain 1 2 3. Look, they are all aligned, 2 chains 1 2 3. 6 again. I'm making space 1 2 3. It was 4. 1 2 3. Again 2 chains 1 2 3. Yes, when we complete the 6th gap. We align with the trabzans at the bottom. Here again. I'm making 3 more trabzan now. With the trabzan of the cage. It was 4. 2 chain 1 2 3. I pulled 2 chains again. 1 2 3. Yes, that's it actually, friends, the model is very simple, easy. As I said, blouses and shawls are many things available. Again. I completed 6 cages. Now 4 here. I'm doing trabzan. Now I say I'm doing 4. But with this cage we are doing the first. With 3 more. We started the 2nd cage row. We complete it the same way here. We're going, we're coming. We're going, we're coming, just like we did here. We knit 6 rows, we knit 1 row of complete trabzan again. Yes, friends. Look, I completed 1 more row, so our cages. This way 6. If we started with trabzan, 2 full 1 cage. We would have created. Same way. From here again. We turn around and create the cages again. We continue this way. As I said, you will knit something straight like this, runner. They do it too. They also use shawls. And they also use this model on the screen, friends. They also use it in the blouse, now asking for a collar for the blouse. It will happen, you can leave it straight like this if you want. If you want, now this measure is of course. I'll try to explain through this box. Because our model. Look here for example. You separate the collar after making trobs on. After doing this, you knit as much as you want, you did this row. You're back from here now. So you're knitting this far. Until that quadruple tram. 2 squares or 3. According to the size of your body. Look, we're separating this as a collar. 2 cages or 3 cages. According to your shoulder, according to your collar opening. You knit this place by making kit gel. Then we put our rope back here. Here we make 2 cages in the same way. This way you can make 1 collar like this. You can leave 1 cage in the back. It's easy how you want it, so it's easy. When you start knitting. Very easy, simple model. One model that looks very stylish actually. Actually it can be knitted when I have a rope, but I'm showing you as an example right now. I did this again at the request of one of my followers. Very simple, very easy model. I hope you like it. There's nothing different we can do, it's always the same. We repeat the lines. On curtains and such big shawls. Summer. One example that you can easily dye and use in blouses. Thank you for watching. In more beautiful models. I say goodbye.